What we're gonna do today is take out this deck and install this. So what we're gonna do today is take out this Pioneer single DIN and install this Pioneer double DIN. The reason why I'm changing it, this deck just have CD, USB, AM, FM radio, right? Works great. The only thing it don't have Bluetooth. This on the other hand have Bluetooth, DVD, CD, screen fold long, navigation, but you know it's in Japanese, so we mightn't get that function to work. So all we want to do is just get Bluetooth so we can play some music via cell phone. As you can see in the screen, it's a major upgrade from this. So first thing we're gonna do, take out this finisher, take out this deck, install the wire harness and install this, but we don't have a bracket. So I bought this for my Kia Sportage to make it single DIN, but we're just gonna use these two clips, right? We're gonna use these clips to mount up on the side and see if we could get any mounting spot there. If not, well, we'll see how it goes. So far we got the finisher off. We got our area where we're going to install the double DIN. So what we're going to do is take out this pocket. We already took out the harness and the antenna and the RCA. The only issue is this don't have any RCAs. So we got our area for our double DIN. Let's offer it up and see how it fits in. Okay, this is it. Alright, so now we're gonna put on the brackets on either side and see if we can get it to mount here and here. Okay, so with everything, always have a little alter in and a little complication. So it had some clips protruding out here. I had to take it out so the finisher could fit up, plus I kind of give it an extra groove here so the deck could slide a little bit to the forward to come out of the finisher. So now we're gonna mount it up and see how it goes. Okay,
one eternity later.
oh, finally we had a little alter in the little fins on the side. This was for my Kia Sportage, but it came with the two side pieces where you mount it up on the, so we use it on this. Then after we had to cut it because it was bouncing on this finisher, so we had to cut it. Then after heat some little extra holes in it so it could slide forward and backwards. So this is the finishing product. It's neat, right? So now where we get this, we're gonna take it back out again for the umpteenth time. Oh my goodness, I don't wanna damage this finisher. I don't have my clips. Oh my goodness. Right, so as you can see, we had to cut this short. It was protruding all here and was bouncing on the inside of this. So we have it like this. Now we are gonna try this. Put the USB into the back, put this in the glove compartment, take out our flash drive. We're gonna add it, hook up the harness, wire up the two speakers what we have, which is the Vital Pro still in the two front doors, and we'll hear how it sounds. Let's power it up now. And finish. Fit up nice here, but you just keep hearing that.
Acceleration detected.
It's up real nice. Add an alter up some layer, the brackets for not this inside this, and
sudden acceleration detected.
touch screen.
Please drive
CD.
safely. Sudden acceleration detected.
we get. We think how we find it. So that done. So you understand? It's just to download some music videos and see how it plays. Okay, so this is the next day, and I'm just showing you that the flash drive is going into the glove compartment, and this is our deck. We're going to do a startup, and let's see.
Tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing, cause you will pay for your own youth. Friend them ever got me head back anywhere in the world, youth. So we don't Sparta, Sparta.
So as I said, this is just a temporary double din we will be using for the while until we get the actual one what we need. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe and have a good one. Take care.
Fix my scheme, system mother, so they set it. So you have to get up and get it, get a youth.